Hi guys, Dennis here from Denny Bob's RC. I have here a new purchase from LESU, purchased through Toucan Hobby. It is the 850K. They call it the BA-B 0005-. They say RTR, but I did not buy the RTR model. I bought the finished complete model, less the radio, less battery. I figure I have my own batteries and I'm going to set up my own radio, but we're going to kind of go through the unboxing of it is what we're going to do. You can kind of see a picture of that on the top of the lid. They're really nicely packaged. Hopefully I kind of remember how this all goes. Alright, there was the top, and we have the manuals. Looks like we have the manual, because this does have the sound kit. So I got the manual for that, the manual for the machine itself, and looks like we have some other instruction manuals for radio setup and everything else, looks like. So I'll have to go through that yet. I'm pretty sure what's in this package right here, I believe, is the decal kit. Make sure the decals are all the way to one side so I don't end up cutting anything. You know, this might be just a tad bit boring, but yes, I do have a decal set with it. It's kind of modeled after, or very similar to a Deere 850K. Dozer is what it's really close to. I've noticed some subtle differences. It's not exact. And they sent a whole complete toolkit with it. This is my first time ever buying a LESU piece of equipment, so this is all new to me. Looks like we got some more tools, some more nuts and bolts and hardware. Extra, looks like we got a little extra hose, just in case we happen to, rupture a hose, which that's known to happen with hydraulic machines. It can happen. Boy, it is really nicely tucked in here. Hopefully I remember, well, I got a video, so I should kind of watch how I'm doing this, so it'll kind of help me make sense of it all and how to get it all back in here. Take this one out. We got a right hand and a left hand side. Looks like. Got it off over the side over here. I'm kind of excited, just a little bit. Oh, it's pretty. It is pretty. Boy, it looks like, oh my goodness. Oh, wow. Boy. So we aren't going to have any run video right at the moment, because what I'm going to do is get a radio and receiver set up with it. If I watch the videos appropriately, that pops out like that. There's supposed to be a button to push, and the cab folds up, and that's where all the wiring is. It has a Dean's plug on it, which I don't like, so I will probably change that. And this looks like boy, this is going to be fun. A lot of wires, a lot of Chinese. Oh, they got it labeled left drive, right drive, winch. Yeah, because it does have a winch. Well, it's going to take me a little bit of time. I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time with just this unboxing, but okay, that locks down, and there it is. There is the LESU 850K. Looks like it comes with a beacon already installed. It's supposed to have the light kit already installed. It's supposed to have the sound already installed. This is just a simple up and down blade. It's not the 6-way blade or anything like that. I just wanted a mid-side regular Dozer. I'm not very patient and can't do all the 6-way operations anyway. I have a hard time doing with a 4-way blade. But anyway, it's heavy. Oh boy, is it heavy. So I'm going to dig into the manuals and do a little bit of setup on it, I guess. I'm probably going to re-read it, and I'm probably going to wish I would have just bought it ready to run with the radio. The thing is, they do come with the radio. They come with is a Paladin radio, is what they send with them, and it's an 18-channel radio. To me, that was almost too much radio and too complex for this guy. I'm going to actually use an i6S radio, and I'm probably going to have to use a 10-channel receiver. I might get away with a 6, and once I figure out how everything goes, and go from there. So there it is, the 850K. I'll get my decals on and I got some work cut out for me. So catch you guys later.